So I've got my screen extender here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with, show you the cords, how that works. We're going to go over the features of our screen extender. I'm going to go ahead and actually hook it up to my laptop here and just going to show you how easy it is to go ahead and connect that. So it does come with a little storage case here. It's hard side on one and then soft on the other. And on this side, we do have a little pocket to go ahead and store our cords. Of course, we've got 3 cords here. It really depends on the type of C output that you have on your laptop. If it's a full-featured type C, you'll just use this. That's going to produce power, audio, and video. If you don't have that, which is going to have a lightning bolt next to it, and you'll notice that. If it doesn't have the lightning bolt, then you're going to use these 2 cords. One is going to provide your audio and video. We got an HDMI, and then the type C is going to go ahead and provide your power. Or this one here, you can use a USB-A or a combination of these 3. Now on the back of the extender, on the ports, it's going to let you know the directions of how to hook everything up, but it's really pretty much plug and play. We do have a kickstand here. We can adjust this by 90 degrees. And then when you're not using it, of course, you can just push it back up just like that. This does extend out between about 12 and a half inches all the way up to 16 inches. And then our screen diagonally is 15.3 inches. This is full HD. It's not HD, but full HD. It's super thin. You can see how thin it is. I mean, it's probably like the thickness of 2/4. It's right at 0.18 inches thick, and super light too, 1.78 inches. So it does have 2 guides here. These are a little flexible, and then right here. All we're gonna do is just spread it apart, put it on our laptop, like that, and then clip it on there. Of course, you can do mirror mode and extend mode. This is great for increasing your productivity because now you have 2 different screens instead of just one. So sometimes it's hard to get all the information you need to on one screen, and now I can just kind of split it up. This just makes it so much easier. It's so compact, easy to plug in, just plug and play, and I'm ready to go, and the colors look fantastic. Hope you found this review helpful.